Hi everyone, it is November 14th, 2017, and you're looking at the desktop of Dan Merkin. I'm the CEO of Trade Ideas. What are you seeing today is how our artificial intelligence is approaching today's market action. You can see that there were both long and shorts, two short trades, and quite a few long trades. And right now, the AI is right on its highs in risk on mode, meaning that the volatility today is paying you. You want to be trying to stay in these trades longer or as much as you can in terms of your own personal risk tolerance. Again, some interesting things to think about. So on BZH, the AI completely destroyed the entry here, nailed this perfectly in July. And now it actually had a short sell. Again, just observing, BZH is making a move higher, but the notion of not picking highs is just it's an old wives' tale. It's not that you shouldn't, it's that if you can't, don't. But it doesn't mean that there aren't proper techniques to do so. And of course, the AI knows how to do it. It's a trial and error type of approach, which is what most successful investors are able to do. You can put on a short sell understanding that if you zoom in, well, here's your exit. We don't need to risk too much. We're just trying things out. And of course, here's your profit. But right now, BZH is and SCM are the only two negatives, and everything else is kind of coming along. SMTC got in profitable right away, then turned it around, but then kind of gave you a whole other opportunity to get in, not once but twice, and now approaching highs, and so is again the overall P&L. When the AI is doing more on the short side, it simply lets us know that there are slight waves of change. When it's profiting on the short side, it just means that there are pockets of probability that are being created right now that a lot of investors might not be used to. And that's another advantage of working with our technology. We're going to be looking for some things and trying to find some things and opportunities that if we are right, the opportunities are amazing. Imagine picking somewhere close to the top of here and seeing something like this break down to a support level here. That's what savvy investors are able to try to do, and that is what the AI is trying to do, because it knows that what it wants to do is win. Same thing again here. Imagine if it catches this kind of resistance pocket and this trades back down to support. Will it? We don't know, but that is the attempt. And of course, still buying dips. Notice, buying support versus always chasing the breakout, which is unfortunately typically the only thing that people kind of can all visually agree upon. Well, this is definitely a breakout, because that's all it is. But successful investing is much more nuanced. And as you can see, again, our AI tries to do both. When the proper pockets of probability are there, it will also buy a breakout, and not just once, but twice. And you can see then, well, what kind of industry is this? And where and how? Because again, a lot of times it becomes interesting. You might see other things follow. That's one of the other ways that people use our technology. So let me highlight a quick and very important thing here. Look at our, again, Resolute Forest products. Amazing pattern. And I just liked it. Similarly to how you would like something on Twitter or on Facebook, etc. So now what happens is, when I go to my liked symbols on this channel, everything that I like over various perusings through channels or any kind of setup, I can quickly see. And then now this is kind of like my own feed of everything that has caught my attention. Of course, I can set alarms on it, and then and also this reminds me, it's kind of in the neuro-linguistic feedback spectrum where You remind yourself, okay, this does happen. This is why I'm here. Do not be afraid. This isn't some sort of scam. When these moves turn around, there's a lot of potential. Okay, so this has just been added, and we're making new changes to the artificial intelligence that will be available in the next build, progressing forward. And here we are in risk on mode, up 73 cents versus the spiders, which are down 61 cents. And if you're in risk off mode, you're down 20 cents if you're being very, very conservative, which is still better than the SPY. That's our approach, the statistical approach to investing versus whatever it is that everyone else is doing. Let's go where the probabilities are going, and that will help us outperform everyone else. Hope you enjoyed this. Take a look at our website, www.trade-ideas.com. Take care. Thank you.